Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to turn this simple daisy, okay, into a flower or a square. Okay, so you have the choices. You can just do like that, okay, like it's a flower, okay, or you can turn it into a square and like a granny square, and you can use this as your motif. Okay, so I do have a tutorial for this simple daisy. Okay, I will put it into the link, and this one I will be just showing you how to add, okay, and turn it into a granny square. Okay, you can add, you know, some more, but this is just simple for me. If you want that, and then you can just add some more if you are going to make it bigger. Okay, so but at least you do have a foundation. Okay, so to start with, we are going to make a slip knot. Okay, and with my 2.5mm hook, okay, I'm going to use a red yarn. Okay, and then insert that. What we're going to do is, okay, pull up the yarn, okay, and we're going to chain 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and then we are just going to jump into the next, and then chain 8. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then to the next petal, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, to the next petal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and to the next petal, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we are just going to go around and connect all the petals. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I am doing a single crochet when I get into the petals, and then single crochet, and then chain 1 to 8 again. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here, okay, the next petal, single crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and a single crochet at this one here, because we are in the end. Okay, we are just going to slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch to connect, and there you go. Okay, so what I do here after that, so I just cut this off. Okay, and as you can see, okay, you can use a motif like this, or we have one here. Okay, both sides is here, and then we have in the middle, then we have middle here as well, and middle here. Okay, so we are just going to hold that. Okay, and that is our square. Okay, and it's cute. So it's up to you if you want to go around. Okay, if you're going to go around, and you just have to start. Okay, if you want to start here, you can start here, and you're just going to like put 1, we have 8 there, so you're going to put 8 there, and then 3, and then chain, I think you have to put, so 8, 4, okay, 4, and then chain 3, and then 4 again, okay, and then here 8, okay. So I'll just give you an example of that if you want to do that. But with me is I'm just happy. Okay, so chain 3, okay, and then double crochet, okay, 8 times, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on top of the single crochet we're going to put 1 as well, and then 4 here, and then we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3 for the corner, and then another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the single crochet, and 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the single crochet, and then 4, because this is the corner, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a single crochet, 1 double crochet there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so as you can see, that is your granny square. Okay, so if we're going to continue that, okay, and then here is 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then a single crochet, put 1 double crochet, and then in the corner put 4, 3, 4, and then chain 3, and then 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then double crochet, and then we are going to put 8. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then to the last corner, 1 2 3 4, chain 3 and 4 more. And then we're going to, as we start there, we're just going to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Nah, we need to put 1 here into the single crochet. Okay. Oh, okay, and then we're going to slip stitch into the top. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so that is your square, granny square. Okay, with the daisy and in the middle. Okay, so you can make, okay, 2 in 1. Okay, so you can make this bigger and you can make this bigger, or you can just use that as a motif or anything like that, or you can use this as well. Okay, so that is really cute, or even just like that, that is cute as well. Okay, thank you very much guys. Hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please leave big thumbs up, and thank you very much for all my subscribers. And if you're new to my channel and if you want to subscribe, please do so. Just press that subscribe button and notification bell, so you will get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. So as you can see, okay, there is a lot of colors that you can make. Okay, so you can make this as well, the edging, you can make this as well as different as you want. Okay, or you can make one color. Okay, for example white, and then you just make all white or something like that. But with mine, I'll make this red because my color is red, and I just want to put all these you know, different color touch. Okay, thank you very much guys, and until to the next video, bye.